Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to be making the #1 drank tequila-based cocktail coming out of Mexico. This is the Paloma. Getting those great agave notes coming through, finished off nicely with that effervescence of the grapefruit soda, balanced off with a little bit of a salty rim. What more could you want in life? Don't forget, guys, if you're enjoying all these recipes, give us a like, because we want to know that you like it. Stick your comment in the comments. We read them all. And don't forget, we want all the subscribers we can get. Click that subscribe button down at the bottom. We want all of you guys to subscribe. Come on, that way you'll never miss one of these amazing drinks videos, because you get a little notification. But let's get into it. So, nobody really knows the history of the Paloma. Like a lot of drinks out there, it just occurred and it just happened. What we do know is that tequila and grapefruit is fantastic. In Mexico, they use a specific brand of grapefruit soda that they drink so much of that none of that grapefruit soda ever actually leaves Mexico. Traditionally, it is made with white grapefruit. Most people think of grapefruit as pink grapefruit these days. It doesn't matter what grapefruit you use. If you want to use fresh grapefruit juice and mix it with soda water, you can do. What we have today is our very favorite pink grapefruit soda, and we're gonna mix it with that. Super simple drink, so let's get into it. And as I've said a million times, never drink alone, so we're gonna be making 2 glasses. So first up, what we wanna do is we wanna give this a nice little salt rim. You know how much I love a rim, and you know how much they like me saying rim, so they get it cut off. So we're gonna make this salt rim. You wanna take half a lime camera too, and you can just rub that over the top like so, and boom. Next up, we want to fill these with ice. Want to get the ice in there straight away. Whoop. That's due. And then followed by the tequila. You know we usually say cheapest ingredient first, but not today, because it's really hard to mess this drink up. So we're gonna go with 45 mils straight in. You want to then, sorry camera 2, you make me so nervous. You then take your grapefruit soda, maybe it's 120 mil, maybe it depends how big your glass is. Maybe you just need to top it up. So top it up with your preferred grapefruit soda, and that, guys, is pretty much a Paloma. What I'm gonna do though, is I'm gonna give it a little bit more color just by adding a nice little lime wedge. You don't have to, but you can do if you want. You can just slot that on and give it just that little bit of 80s flair. So let's have a taste of this, the Paloma. That's a good one. Great taste. The grapefruit soda that we're using is banging. As I said to you before, grapefruit and tequila go perfect. And that's all this drink is. That is the Paloma, guys. I'm Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and this is Absolut Drinks with Rico. If you want to check this out, made with vodka and even making it with real fresh grapefruit juice, check out the Swedish Paloma recipe. You can always add tequila and substitute vodka from that. And with this recipe, you can always add vodka to substitute the tequila. Either way, you're going to be making Palomas.